Hey everybody, it's Krista Miller, Krista and Rosie team at Abio Properties, and I'm here today to talk to you about your dishwasher. The dishwasher is one of the grossest machines that we see when we go to list a house for sale. So here's the thing: if your dishes are dirty, if your the glasses are cloudy, or if it smells, chances are it's the filter. Have you ever cleaned it? So at the bottom of the dishwasher, just untwist it. You're gonna see all this goop and gunk come out. Rinse it under hot water in the sink, pop it back in, and I bet you're gonna make a difference in your dishes. The second thing, and this is the most overlooked item, is actually that rubber rim that's around the edge of the door. So a lot of food will collect behind that rubber seal. So if you are not cleaning it and wiping it down regularly, you're probably going to need to grab a toothpick and just kind of scrape it out of there. You will be disgusted. And if you do this on a regular basis, not only will your dishes be happy, but we will be happy when we come in to help you sell your house. Talk to you later.